Today we're going to watch and listen to a video about rhyming with farm animals. This video is also going to give us a few clues as to what today's story is going to be about. Chicken, chicken strutting around, laying eggs on the ground. Pig, pig rolling around in the mud on the ground. Horse, horse trotting around, eating hay, lying on the ground. Rooster, rooster walking around, pecking at the grass from the ground. Cow, cow walking around, eating the green grass from the ground. Now that video had a lot of rhyming in it. What do you think the story will be about? Will it have a lot of rhyming in it? Will it have some animals in it? Who knows? Let's find out.